donuts. Not these donuts. These donuts. Circular motion. This is movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. For example, we use a toy car going at a constant acceleration around a circle for about 8 seconds. The features of circular motion involve circular uniform motion, constantly changing direction, moving the tangent to the circle, and the velocity vector is direct tangent to the circle. As you can see here, we have our object M moving around a circle with the velocity pointing to the right and our acceleration constant towards the middle of the circle. More features of the circular motion is the acceleration was always pointed internally. There is constant acceleration due to the constant change in direction. As you can see, it moves around the circle with the velocity going around, acceleration constant staying towards the middle. We'll play our video again as the car is moving around in a circle. You know the acceleration constant is pointing inward as the velocity is on the outside of the circle. So how we calculate our velocity constant is 2 pi with the radius over time. This is velocity constant 2 pi r over t. As you can see, for our car, time is equal to 9 seconds. Our radius is 101.6 centimeters or 40 inches. Our velocity constant is equal to 2 pi 101.6 centimeters over 9, giving us a constant velocity of 70.93. Woo! Now you know more about circular motion.